Today, we will go through 5 cases when AI went wild and out of control, including very diabolical stuff. In this video, we will go through AI doing highly controversial stuff. I just wanted to emphasize that I don't support any of it, and this video is purely for information purposes. Number 1 will be Amazon, and they are hiring AI that was rejecting female candidates. Around 2014, Amazon came up with the internal AI system to rank job candidates. Basically, it would scrape all resumes of people applied to jobs at Amazon and filter out the most suitable top 5%, so that Amazon HR can save time and not go through hundreds of applications. And the model was trained on 10 years of past hiring data. It would analyze candidates Amazon already hired and look for patterns. For example, if candidates from Google historically perform better at interviews compared to candidates from Microsoft, the system would give priority to Google candidates going on. And everything was working fine until, at some point in 2015, Amazon noticed that the system did not like female candidates. Especially for engineering jobs, it would treat any mention of women in the CV as a disadvantage and exclude these candidates from the top, which is essentially gender discrimination. Soon after, Amazon realized the issue and scraped the program completely. So, what was the reason for this? It's not a secret that the engineering space is historically male-dominated. And because Amazon hired more male candidates in the past, AI learned this pattern of male equals better candidate, and it backfired in the end. The next case is Microsoft and their chatbot. In 2016, Microsoft launched their chatbot on Twitter. They called it Tay, and it was designed to interact with people on Twitter and learn new language patterns and topics from them. Tay's default persona set by Microsoft was a 19-year-old American girl. Don't ask me why. The idea was she will eventually become smarter and converse more naturally through these Twitter conversations. What could go wrong here? And it started all right. Tay was replying to other users with a standardized, safe language. But soon after, people started feeding it with all types of content, if you know what I mean. Gradually, Tay's tone shifted to all types of offensive messages: xenophobia, calling feminism a disease, spreading conspiracy, and so on. After just a few hours online, it went from an innocent girl persona to the hate speech machine. After 16 hours, Microsoft shut it down and issued an apology. It was a PR disaster for them back then, as literally all major media were covering this. The next case would be Google and the Google Photos incident. In 2015, Google launched a major update to their Google Photos app. It included AI image recognition and smart tagging of objects and people. For example, you search for a dog and it would filter by dogs in your photo library. Something which is very common now, but it was revolutionary back then. Soon after launch, people started complaining about mislabeling. The most viral was a software developer named Jackie. Google labeled him and his friends as gorillas. Soon after, Google issued a public apology, and to this day, it will not return any results at all for certain searches, just to be on the safe side. The last 2 cases are more recent, and both are associated with Elon Musk's Grok, developed by XAI. Elon has always been marketing Grok as less censored and more edgy chatbot compared to competition. The first incident happened in mid-2025 when the XAI team rolled out a new update, intended to make Grok more unfiltered. And, similar to Microsoft's incident, Grok started spreading extremist messages across all Twitter, to the point it started referring to itself as Mecha. Soon after, the XAI team deleted the inappropriate posts and rolled back the update. Another Grok incident is more recent. On Christmas Eve 2025, the Grok team rolled out a new update, focused on image generation and editing. As you can guess, many users started testing its limits. Grok did not generate full nudity, but it did allow put him or her in a bikini requests, which led to thousands of altered images of Twitter users, celebrities, and so on. As a result, Grok was blocked in several countries, and some of them started the investigation against XAI and Elon Musk specifically. X's office in Paris was raided by the French police. I hope this overview was useful. I know this list is far from covering all AI incidents, so feel free to drop the other ones in the comments. I actually don't know how YouTube will react to this video and if it gets any views or comments at all. Let's see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe as more videos are coming soon. See ya.